this time I'm going to use smaller screws. They're 2-inch screws. And like I said, I have my holes already pre-drilled here. Just want to line it up, make it flush. Perfect! Yes! Yes! Perfection! I am so psyched. All right. Now I know where I want to put this one, so this is going to be the next one. Yes! Success. Voila! That's beautiful. Did you see that? It's pro. Here we go. All right, so I've lined this up. It's flush to the wood, centered on my little holes there, my little pre-drilled holes. I don't know. That looks pro to me. I don't know about you, but that looks good. Oh, perfect. Perfect. I'm just gonna keep yelling out, perfect. Woo! Look at that. There's really nothing out there that kind of just gives you a very logical way of putting things together. You know, carpenters, trained carpenters, they actually, you know, they have their own kind of way of thinking of things and how to put things together. But if you're not a carpenter, it's not your business, it's not your science. In order to put something together, you can be lost. So hopefully, so far, we're both on the same page, you're not lost, and you're pretty much writing down your measurements now. I've got these two middle bars to put in. We're pretty much halfway there right now, maybe a little more than that. And I've got my first doorway over in the front. And I'm going to now put a side doorway, but closer to the back. All right. So we have our doorway in here. We've got our strapping on top. And one more thing before I turn it over, I want to install a little roost for my chickens. So I'm going to take this piece of wood right here and I'm going to give them their little roost. They're going to love it.